Most Canadians think their TFSA is helping them build wealth. They open the account. They put some money in. They feel like they're doing the right thing. And to be fair, they are. But here's the problem. A huge number of Canadians are using their TFSA in a way that quietly costs them thousands. Not because they picked the wrong investment, not because they made a big mistake, but because they misunderstood what the TFSA is actually for. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. The TFSA is one of the most powerful tools Canadians have. It lets your money grow completely tax-free. But the name savings account has confused people for years. Because it sounds like a place to store money, not a place to grow money. Here's the mistake. People treat their TFSA like a regular savings account. They leave the money sitting in cash, or earning very little interest. And then they stop there. They feel responsible, safe. But it's barely working for them. Now, here's where the real issue shows up. Opportunity cost. $10,000 at low interest versus invested. Very different outcome. That gap is the cost of misunderstanding. So why do people do this? Because cash feels safe, and investing feels risky. So they stop before the part that builds wealth. But a TFSA is meant to maximize growth. So what should you do instead? Start using your TFSA intentionally. Start investing inside it. Keep it simple. Stay consistent. Time does the heavy lifting. Short-term drops are normal, but long-term growth is what matters. Waiting has a cost. Use your TFSA to grow your money, not just store it.